Good morning, guys. This is Mrs. Carr, and today is Monday, April 13th. I hope you guys had a great 3-day weekend, however you celebrated it. I hope it was good and restful and relaxing, and you are refreshed and ready to go for this week. So we're starting off today, actually today and tomorrow, we're going to be reviewing our PEMDAS, our simplifying expressions. Take us as a quick review for today and tomorrow, and then we'll be getting into some other decimal stuff for later this week. But here we go. So first off, what you're going to do is, if you have not already viewed this video, then you need to go ahead and take care of that now. I know that this video has been posted in several locations throughout last week. So if you have not done this video, then you're going to watch this video first, okay? Then you're going to come over here and you're going to pick one, and I know there's a lot of things to click here. Please don't be overwhelmed. There's actually only 2 assignments here. These 2 and these 2. Okay? These 2 things are the same and these 2 things are the same. So what you'll do is you'll click here, and this is the digital. As you can see, it gives you the digital version of the top one. So if you want to print it out, or simply just work on it from paper straight off the screen, you'll click on it, open it up, and you're going to do exactly what it says. You're going to look at it. You're going to underline if there was a mistake. You're going to talk about decide if it was right or wrong. And then if it's wrong, you need to make sure you solve it correctly. Actually tell what was the problem. Don't just say what the new answer is, but where did they go wrong and how to fix it. Okay. And so as you can see, there's 8 problems. So that's not too bad. That you are going through and making those corrections for. If you don't want that version, if you don't want to print it off, then you can open up this digital version. It's going to force you to make a copy, which is good because sometimes we forget to make the copy. And then it's, as you can see, instead of underlining it, you're going to put that yellow square. Okay, and then if it's right or wrong, you're going to put the green circle over it, and then solving it correctly. So let's see here. Let's take a look. You'll drag this over to which line is the problem. Then you'll drag this to whether it's right or wrong, and then you'll type in here what happened, how did you fix it. Okay, and this should be the oh, and there are 8 problems on here as well. Okay. Once you're done, you're going to go ahead and share that with your teacher. If you choose to do the digital version, then you're going to need to probably take a picture of it so that you can share it with your teacher. So I would suggest sharing this version. This is probably the better option for you. Okay. Okay. So that's those 2. Oops. Let's click out of there. So that's this and this. So you're doing this or this. If you don't want to do either, if you don't want to do that assignment, because remember these are the same, and here's your answer key, by the way, right there. Okay. But if you don't want to do that, this is the other option. And again, these 2 are the same. So you will click on this, open this up, and this is the PDF version if you want to print it out. If you don't want to print out the PDF version, and you can make a copy there. And while it's making a copy, we can look. As you can see, here's the PDF version. You can print it out and show your work that way. And then you could take a picture of it and share it with your teacher. Okay, if you don't want to take a picture of it and share that pic with your teacher, then you'll come to here, open this up. As you can see, you'll click on it and open up, click in here. Both options have 8 problems. So this has 8 problems, this has 8 problems, so one is not shorter than the other. And then of course here's your answer key to this second one as well. Let's not look at that yet. And then and again, if you get it wrong, please don't forget to go back and check find that mistake. Where did you go wrong? If you can't find the mistake, rework the problem, guys. Please don't cut corners. If you're not understanding something, then go back, ask for help, ask your mom for help, look at the videos again, look it up on Google. You have lots of resources, even though I'm not there with you. Please use your resources to figure out what went wrong. Okay. And then you're going to start seeing this little how to sign into Google Sheet. You're going to start seeing that on the bottom of these documents. It's not anything that you need to do unless you don't know how to log into Google. So you can open that up so you can log into Google. So anyways, here's a common mistake, thinking that multiplication comes before division or that addition comes before subtraction. And remember, guys, that's not actually true. If they're BFFs, if you have both multiplying and dividing at the same time, then that means you're simply going from left to right. So even if that means you're going to divide before you multiply, depending on what it looks like. All right, then after that, you have this challenge that you can be doing. There's actually 2 of them. And it's saying create as many expressions as you can to get, that would give you the answer of 16. And it's, each expression would need to have at least 2 different operations, right? So that you can have order of operations. You can have more than the one operation of the same operation. So you can have 2 pluses or 2 minuses or 2 multiplies or 2 divides. And of course, as always, don't forget to use your parentheses. That's what makes it lots of fun. Okay. And then of course, the second one, same option. Or excuse me, same kind of challenge, only this time you're trying to see how many you can come up with to get to 30, how many expressions you can come up with to get to 30. And you can use all of your operations. You have to at least use 2 of them, but you can use all of them. You can repeat them. And this one, a little bit more challenging, is you have to use at least 1 set of parentheses. This one is, it'd be nice if you use a set of parentheses. This one is, you have to use a set of parentheses. Okay. Then then that is it for this. Oh yeah. Okay, so then you're going to come back. Don't forget to go, when you're done with today's options, don't forget to go back. Here is the Tuesday folder, or excuse me, here's Monday's folder. Inside Monday's folder, you'll see a discussion piece. Don't forget to add your thoughts and information to the discussion piece for today. And then don't forget, if you're struggling, needing help, there's the I need help and the give me more buttons. You got it. You don't need any extras. You can soar away on this, then that will be this page here. So those are your 2 options if you're needing help. If today took you a little bit longer, you don't have to do these 2 today. You can wait till tomorrow. Remember, these are for the whole week, so you can spread them out. You don't have to do everything at once. Okay, guys? And that is it for today. As always, if you have any questions, message your teacher up here at the top, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.